Is it time to buy or sell UnitedHealth Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into UnitedHealth Group. Our initial report was published on our website on the 2nd of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 17th of April, 2025, our system has categorized UnitedHealth Group as a sell candidate, awarding it a score of negative 2.35. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 32.90%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.06% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently resides in the midst of a very wide and declining trend in the short term, with indications of further decline within this trend. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 34.54% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 50.3% to positive 0.225%. Considering the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 19.56%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 29.22% and positive 53.16% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price between $215.67 and $466.72. Our latest daily update for UnitedHealth Group includes the headline, Green Day on Monday for UnitedHealth Group stock, after gaining 0.93%. The UnitedHealth Group stock price gained 0.93% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, rising from $301.91 to $304.72. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 4.18%, reaching a low of $300.97 and a high of $313.55. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 4.39% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 5 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with 18 million shares bought and sold for approximately $5.43 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of stock was $630.73, while the lowest price was $248.88. Currently, the price is 51.69%, or $326.01, below the 52-week high of $630.73, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Investors in UnitedHealth Group have recently approved a substantial payment package of $60 million for new CEO Stephen Hemsley amidst significant challenges, including an earnings miss, the company's first since 2008, and the aftermath of a high-profile executive assassination. This decision underscores investor confidence in Hemsley's leadership, which could stabilize the stock in the short term, as the market typically reacts positively to decisive moves in management during tumultuous times. However, UnitedHealth faces serious allegations regarding undisclosed payments to nursing homes, which has rekindled scrutiny and intensified ongoing legal troubles. This uncertainty may pressure the stock price as investors weigh the potential implications of these allegations on the company's reputation and financial health. Despite a sharp downturn in shares, which are down over 39% year-to-date, there's potential for recovery as UnitedHealth added 800,000 Medicare Advantage members in the first quarter, and Optum Health is on track for meaningful revenue growth. Analysts suggest that if Hemsley's promises to curb costs and enhance service quality materialize, it could lead to stronger long-term performance. That said, regulatory risks and ongoing class action lawsuits could continue to weigh heavily on share value in the near term, keeping investors cautious. As the earnings release approaches, all eyes will be on how UnitedHealth addresses these challenges while attempting to regain lost investor trust. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 21st of May 2025, it was reported that HSBC assigned UNH a reduce rating, along with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 20th of May 2025, it was reported that Wolfe Research gave UNH an outperform rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 19th of May 2025, it was reported that Cowen & Company assigned UNH a hold rating along with a downgrade action. On Wednesday, the 14th of May 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned UNH an overweight rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 14th of May 2025, it was reported that Raymond James gave UNH a market perform rating along with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general, neutral rating to UnitedHealth Group stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for UnitedHealth Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, May 15, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 11.07%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, commonly known as MACD. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. The UnitedHealth Group stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average, yet the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a general sell signal for the stock, suggesting a more negative outlook. Should there be further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $386.44. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $298.59. A breakout above the long-term average will trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will result in an additional sell signal, thereby reinforcing the overall signal. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have shown a buy signal 12 days ago. Bollinger Bands signaled a buy 35 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. In contrast, the long-term moving average signaled a sell 32 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages suggested a buy signal 29 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average showed a sell signal 32 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 32 days ago. However, the relationship between the short and the long moving averages pointed to a buy signal 27 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for UnitedHealth Group. UnitedHealth Group finds support from accumulated volume at $302.98. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. This stock is known for significant daily movement or volatility, with an extensive prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, categorizing it as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $12.58 between its high and low, which is a change of 4.18%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 3.53%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for UnitedHealth Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 15th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $5.47. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for UnitedHealth Group. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for UnitedHealth Group is at $311.38. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, UnitedHealth Group encounters its first support level at $302.98. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for UnitedHealth Group from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 20th of May, 2025, Hemsley Stephen J. conducted an insider sale of 2,525 shares of common stock. On the 16th of May, 2025, Rex John F. conducted an insider purchase of 17,175 shares of common stock. On the 16th of May, 2025, Hemsley Stephen J. conducted an insider purchase of 86,700 shares of common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Hemsley Stephen J. conducted an insider purchase of 602,773 shares of non-qualified stock options, the right to buy. On the 14th of May, 2025, Flynn Timothy Patrick conducted an insider purchase of 1,533 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 86.433. Overall, insiders purchased 1,043,538 shares and sold 72,964 shares in the last 100 trades. We have received a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is UnitedHealth Group stock a good buy? Currently, UnitedHealth Group exhibits several negative signals, and we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 3rd of June, we expect UnitedHealth Group to open higher by $1.69, starting at a price of $306.41. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.